On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I am going to show you how to draw a bowl of fruit with some yogurt and honey kind of drizzling on the top. And this has been requested by my Patreon patron, Megan. So I'm drawing an ellipse shape here, and then we're going to want to have the shape of the bowl underneath, which is kind of like a semicircle, like that. And then, maybe a little bit shallower, and then maybe just a little hint of the bit at the bottom which sits on the table. Now, that's going to be there. We need a kind of a thickness to the bowl. And then I'm going to draw another little ellipse in here to give us an idea of the level at which, say, the milk would be if it was milk, but you know, just to give it a plane to work on. And we're going to need to have some fruit. So a lot of chopped up fruit ends up looking like these sort of little triangle-y pyramid kind of things. But let's have some banana in there as well. We could have some strawberries and maybe raspberries and blueberries and all sorts of things like that. So I have more of this kind of triangular thing going on over there, and probably coming up like that. And then what we're going to do is draw a blob of yogurt in the top and give it a bit of a swirl as well. And then we want to have the honey kind of dribbling down on the top. And then I think we can probably put in some berries as well, some blueberries, because they look good. All right, let's see what happens when we try to draw this. So I'm going to draw this sort of inner line first, and this is the kind of inner line of the bowl, which gives you the thickness of the rim like that. So this then is the rim, and that's going to come all the way around. I'm assuming nothing is going to be higher than that, just to make things a bit easier. And what I might do is just kind of fade that line out there, and then let's draw the bowl of the bowl, and then maybe just a tiny little hint of the bit that it sits on. I can't think of that word at the bottom. And let's draw these bits which are kind of nearest to us. So I'm going to draw a blueberry, and they have that funny little sort of shape like that, don't they? And I'm going to draw another blueberry there, and then I'm going to have this here as a bit of something. I'm not quite sure what. That's another bit of something there. Another bit of something there. I haven't really put in any pineapple, have I? So let's put in another blueberry there, and let's have some pineapple. Will be kind of in there. We could maybe have another bit of pineapple kind of there. And put in another blueberry, and this was going to be a strawberry, wasn't it? So that can be kind of like that, and that's going to have those little bits on there. I think we can maybe have, I'm going to have another strawberry there too, and we'll do that like that. Let's put kind of banana in there. Now we need to think about the yogurt, so let's start off by putting in the honey that's dribbling down there, and maybe we'll have another blueberry just hiding in there, and then we're going to just see a little bit of that. This is kind of giving the thickness of the honey sitting on the top, so just do that very gently there, and then we're going to do the yogurt kind of swirling down there like that. And I think we could maybe have another, half a blueberry in there, and maybe we could bury a blueberry in there as well. We need another piece of fruit in there, and something in there, maybe another blueberry, maybe a bit of strawberry hiding in there. I think we could have something else in there, and maybe something like that. Now, when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, which I wasn't quite there, was I? Then erase the pencil lines, And I think we're going to need a little bit of shading underneath here. And I'm going to continue this down here like that. We're going to need a little bit of shading underneath the bowl to help put it on the table like that. And then we're going to need some shading in the bowl itself, so I'm going to put that in underneath there. And the yogurt, of course, is going to be very, very white, so that was banana, wasn't it? So I'm going to have a little bit of shading maybe down there, just to, in the darkness, just to sort of give it a bit of depth going down there, and maybe a bit in there. And this blueberry could certainly do with some. I think maybe a little bit in there, some down there, and the blueberry be casting a shadow. I was thinking about what might be casting shadows, really, like that. I think we might have a bit more at the back there, maybe a little bit more in there, and then I think we could maybe put a line in there for the table. And then we need to start colouring in the fruit, and the yogurt can probably do with a bit of shading too, and then we'll give that honey a lovely warm glow, and then a bit of final shading just to bring the whole thing out, and then maybe a little bit of highlighting just to make it zing. And there you go, how to draw a bowl of fruit and yogurt and honey. Real easy. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.